This video, I'll show you that how you can buy your own ENS name, stand for Ethereum Name Service. It's just like a domain name. So we use GoDaddy, Namecheap, Domain Racer, and multiple provider we have from where we can buy the domain name, which we can attach to our website to publish on internet. In the same way, in the world of crypto in Web3, we have wallet addresses. So if you want, you can simply create your own DNS name service and you can just give whatever name you want. So this is the website we generally use to buy our domain name service. We have multiple providers, but this one is quite easy and quite user friendly. So you can see you can able to buy your username for a web3 application across all the wallet addresses you have for your decentralized application. So all you have to do is to simply type the name which you want to assign to your wallet address. So if I take you back here in Etherscan, you will find that we are having all of these transactions, and each some of the transaction having this address and some of the transaction having this name. So this is the ENS name they have bought for their address, which is reflecting here. So you can have the same thing right now. If I come here, if I correct my wallet address with MetaMask, let me give my credential. So here I'm connected with the application, but right now you can see that I haven't registered any ENS name from this particular address. But if you want, you can do that very easily. So all you have to do is to come back here and search for the ENS name. So if I come back here, like this is the one which I was doing the research, like this is the one, Brave Builder. But if I go with this Titan, I can simply copy this one and I can come back here, I can paste and hit enter. You can see that I'm getting this kind of invalid. Let's me have it. This particular one is already registered, as you can see right up here, but this one is not registered box. But this is not what I want. So what I will do, I'm going to go with the blockchain coder. So I'll say coder, and this particular one is available. So I just want for Ethereum. You can take other extension, but Ethereum is the more popular one. Click on this, and here you can easily able to pick the duration which you want to register this ENS name. So like you can make the payment in crypto or ether. You have both the option. So generally I like to take any service for 3 years. So you can simply come here and you have two methods to make the payment. One, you can use the Ethereum and you can pay through your wallet, or you can use the debit card and credit card, and we have multiple providers. So this is how you can take the ENS name, and once you take that, you can easily able to register to any provider. For example, that you want to launch your website on a decentralized space, you can use the IPOs provider of Pinata or Infura. There you can simply attach this ENS name as a middleware. So whenever the user will go to your DNS name, it's going to open your application which is hosted in decentralized space. Again, I will come with that tutorial. I will going to make it. Currently I'm working it. When I'm going to buy the DNS name, so I will show you. But currently I just want to tell you that this is the process which you can use to buy your ENS name, because when I buy for my clients, I generally use this particular website. This is the website I have used for buying the ENS name for my clients. You can attach as many addresses you want to a particular ENS name. So this is pretty simple, and if you want to really master that how the ENS name exactly works, then you can check this particular project we have on the Polyscan. Like it's a clone of a Polyscan or Etherscan or Binance chain. So you can simply check this one. In that I have explained everything that what exactly you're going to build. So this is really powerful, and if you really want to scale your application, you have a bigger project which you really want to raise fund, or you are a miner, you want to just have a good authenticity or good repo in the industry, then it's important that you should have your own ENS name, which will give you the legitimate in the industry. So you will have a more authority as compared to other who are performing the same tasks as you are. So again, I'm telling you, if you have fun, then definitely take and register your ENS name as per your brand, as per your service. So this is the simple process we have. And again, I would suggest you to come back to the blockchain coder if you really want to master blockchain development from start to and learn every single thing about the ENS name, how smart contract work. Then you can come back to the particular course. We have 40 plus hour long course. A lot of students have already joined. You can watch this video, and let me stop this one. And here you will find all the modules that what are the things we're going to cover in this particular course. So we're going to master solidity programming language, every single thing. You're going to do some practice development contract, then we're going to master the web3 setup, what are the requirements you need to have. Then you're going to build one of the biggest project in web3. You're going to be a multi-contract interaction platform we have a lot of feature in that. Then you're going to have a crash course as well: HTML, CSS, React, Next.js, Tailwind, Hard Hat, MetaMask, and Web3 provider. So I would suggest you to come and have a look. This will teach you a lot of things. But I would suggest you that if you really want to have money, then definitely register the ENS name for your wallet address. That's very important. So that's the only thing from my end. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you still have any question, any recommendation, do let me know in the comment section. Then definitely I'll try to make a video and try to clear it out. Have a wonderful day. Bye.